The name of this video is Sales AI Tools for Web3. Now, you will hear this from every single place in Web3, like in the next couple of months. AI agents, sales agents, like automations, do it with AI. I replaced all of my sales team. I just took 5 sales agents and they are doing everything for me. You will hear a lot of things like this. So if you're a sales rep or a BD rep and you don't know, okay, I hear all these things about AI and I heard that it's not AI that will replace people, it's people that know how to use AI will replace other people. And if you don't want to be left out in an empty boat with a hole in it and then sinking slowly because you haven't learned AI, how to use AI in the past, now this video is for you. We're gonna go through a tool called Clay. There is a million tools that are popping up about AI and you're fine to use whatever you find useful for yourself. I'm gonna show you the basic because Clay is the best tool which gives you all the use cases. You can, everything that you can possibly think of probably is on Clay, from research of accounts to finding right people to personalizing messages to sending those messages. Now, important caveat that Clay will not work for Telegram, which makes it useless. But if you have a big emphasis on LinkedIn, on emails, then it's perfect for you. Because in Clay, I'm not going to show, I'm not this is not a tutorial about Clay. I'm just telling you what is the best direction for you to go to. In Clay, you're probably going to learn everything that you need to know, how to do signals, how to create sales AI agents, how to do different intent triggers, how to set up personalizations, how to do AI, how to do the AI openers that AI is going to write for you, and even how to automate those messages by connecting, let's say, Clay to Instantly. Clay will teach you all of this. Once you learn how to do this in Clay, any other tool about AI that you're going to see somewhere on the market, you will already know how it works because you will learn the basics in Clay. So if you're new to this, go to clay.com, open up yourself an account, play around. You can see that I have a decent amount of different teams and projects and different things that I'm doing in Clay around events and not events and different chains and everything. You can also try to connect Clay to DepRadar. I've seen plugins for it. So try it out how it works for yourself. It's a bit pricey, but it's not that pricey as being left out without having any literacy skills in sales engineering, in GTM engineering, in building processes, in building data pipelines, in building nets that's going to catch you fish while you sleep. So if you're interested, if you were looking for a kick in the ass to go and start looking into the AI, this is your kick in the ass. So go to clay.com, link in description, also my link, my Telegram, and link to join the Web3 Sales Gym community. If you're new here, like, subscribe, join community, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.